If you're craving Indian food, eto para sa inyo. Flavorful, spicy, and it's a one-pot dish. Chicken biryani. Let's start cooking. What I'm doing here, ito chicken stock to, and I'm boiling. This is 3 cups of chicken stock. And I will add here cinnamon bark, star anise, yan. And ito siya, cardamom. Pang wala ka, dead ma. Yan. So, ito siya, what you want to do now is we just want to infuse the flavors of our spices into our chicken broth. And what I will do, I will add my rice. Ito, hinugasan ko na itong rice na to. So, this is 3 cups of rice. Mix natin yan. So, ito, rice pa lang, malasa na siya. And konting pitik ng salt. No? I am just using regular rice, jasmine rice, sinandoming, or whatever you have. But of course, if you want to go the extra mile to make it really authentic, use basmati rice. Available naman siya sa ating mga groceries. So while we are cooking our rice, sabay na rin natin lulutuin yung ating chicken. So butter, wag na natin pahirapan, vegetable oil. Yun lang siya. No? So dapat mainit na mainit yung ating oil because we will fry our onions. Ito yung onions natin, mga 3 onions. So julienne, red onions. We will not be using authentic spices here. Medyo kahawig lang kasi of course, we're just cooking at home. Nagkataon lang, meron akong cardamom sa bahay. Otherwise, hindi ko lalagyan. O yan, o, nakikita na natin yung ating onions. Yan. It's turning golden. And ito siya, usually, it's a garlic and ginger paste. Ito siya, grated garlic. O, diba? Hindi na pinahirapan. Grated garlic. Gumamit ako ng grater. Ginger. And now, I will add my manok, no? Chicken, season with salt. Dapat may seasoning ng salt, diba? Para malasa yung ating chicken. And ito, usually kasi, sa Indian cooking, ang daming spices. Gagawin natin curry powder. So, ready-made, store-bought curry powder. Gisa-gisa. Ang bango-bango na. Oh, I love this. Ito, sobrang bango. Sobrang mabango ng aking luto. Black pepper. Asinan ko na siya, ha? Yan. I will add to this canned tomato. Oh. Canned tomato, easy. Sobrang simple. Pwede ding diced tomato. To make it spicy, siling pangsigang. Yan. I will just cut it into half. Essential ingredient when you're cooking Indian food. Ito siya. Ito talagang cornerstone of flavor sila. Yogurt. So, ito I'm adding some yogurt. Now, as we let our chicken cook. Very important dito, luto na yung ating chicken, ha? Hindi pwedeng half-cook. Luto na kasi yung rice natin, luto na rin. Basil, pwede. Oh, pwede. Lalagyan ko din ng konting thyme kasi sometimes wala naman tayong access to fresh herbs. Lalagyan natin ng green peas. Oh, di ba? Hello mga ka-Simpol! Don't forget to grab copies of my Simpol Cookbooks available on Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines and on Amazon internationally. Add to cart na. Almost na siya. Look at that, no? Very nice yung kulay ng ating sauce. I will taste. It's lovely. Kulang ng anghang. So, dapat may konti pang kick. Chili flakes. Yan. We're almost done. Look at that. So, ating rice, luto siya. It's cooked. Tama lang hindi siya lata, ha? Gagawin natin, ihalo, ipo-pour over na natin yung ating chicken biryani. Over our rice. Mahinang heat. In ng konti. Yan, ating rice and biryani. Halo-halo. And we will cover it and let it cook for a few more minutes para umin-in yung ating rice, all the flavor. The chicken will continue to cook and release all its juices to the rice. And, ay, ang bango-bango. Ito siya, simple biryani for the Filipino home. Cilantro and our lemon. Am I ready? Yes, I'm ready! Yan. Dapat may chicken. Pwede. Ang sarap niya, hindi ko expect na ma-achieve natin yung ganitong flavors kahit Hindi authentic ingredients yung gamit natin. Pwedeng-pwede na para sa bahay, pwedeng-pwede na para sa pamilya. Hindi lang siya masarap, may peace pa siya. Ang ating chicken biryani with peace simple! Please like and share my videos, and if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!